Hey traders, Arbitrum is up about 5% in the last 24 hours, now trading near $0.11, and this time, volume is not weak, but it's actually showing strength. So what does that mean? Strong volume with price rise often signals real buyer interest, not just a short spike. If momentum holds above this level, we could see continuation bullish moves, but here's the caution. After quick rallies, the market often cools off, and liquidity zones can trigger pullbacks before the next leg up. So is this a breakout or a trap? Right now, it's a momentum watch zone for Arbitrum. Wait for confirmation. Don't chase the candle. Also, quick update, we've just released our latest ARB crypto price prediction update, support and targets revealed. Big moves could be ahead for ARB. We've just dropped our latest analysis with key support levels and price targets you don't want to miss. If you'd like deeper insights, check out our Patreon page, link in description and comments. There's also a starter plan available for just $10 if you want to try it out. Got a specific chart you want analyzed? Feel free to DM me anytime. Happy to take requests. Catch all the details via the link below. Disclaimer, please do your own research. This content is for informational purposes only and is not financial advice.